Hey friends, Jacob here. Today we're looking at the beard trimmer from Beard Club, and this is their most premium, highest rated beard trimmer, and this is also a hair trimmer. We're gonna go into all of the details. I'm actually gonna trim up my beard as well, but here is what the actual trimmer looks like. It has this special carbon coating. They call it diamond-like coating on the blade tips for everything to keep it extra sharp. Comes with over 10 guides as well, so different length guides. There's more in the box down here as well. I just dumped them out a little bit, but it does have storage capacity here in the box where they all neatly lay down flat just like this, but it could be a better storage presentation overall. That's one thing that I would say, is that this definitely could come with a better bag or a better storage system. Also comes with a charger to charge this up. If you're wondering about battery life, it's a 90-minute battery life on this. It has a simple switch here on the side. You just turn it on like that. No extra speed levels or anything fancy like that. It's just a simple button on the actual side. And you do have a display down at the bottom that will tell you how much power is left and when to add oil. That's something that I really haven't seen from another hair or beard trimmer, is a light that indicates and reminds you when to add a little bit of oil to the blades to keep everything running smoothly. So speaking of oil, it does come with the actual trimmer oil here to keep everything lubricated. You've got brushes to keep everything clean after use. Again, over 10 guides, a charger, the trimmer itself, and this trimmer does not disappoint. So let's go ahead, go over and do some shaving. I'm gonna show you what this actually looks like. I'm not gonna chop my hair off, not gonna shave my hair, but I am gonna shave my beard. It does also have this taper control thing here on the side, which is really cool. So you can have basically like less than a quarter inch of a guide difference here. It raises it up slightly, and then if you pull it back, it'll push that back down. So kind of gives you a built-in guide that you can use for tapering, which is pretty interesting to see. The NOVAH trimmer is a bit more compact, a bit smaller overall. The battery life is still really good on this trimmer. It's one of my favorite things. And with the NOVAH trimmer set, you do get both the beard and the hair trimmer. So this is the beard trimmer specifically, and it's a little bit more compact, a little bit smaller, easier to bring with me and travel. I went international, I brought this with me, very easy to pack. And this is the one from Beard Club. It's a bit more bulky. Obviously it takes up a bit more room, but the battery life on it is also fantastic, and it's specifically for barbers looking to do hair and beard, kind of like an all-in-one. So definitely something to consider whenever you're looking at each of these units. The NOVAH is going to be two separate, a beard trimmer and a hair trimmer, whereas the Beard Club trimmer is just one trimmer. With the NOVAH trimmer, there is only one way to charge this, basically with the charger that came with it or the matching charger type. But on the Beard Club trimmer, we can actually see that there are two ways to charge this up, including a USB-C, which is extremely convenient. Both options do come with convenient guards, but the Beard Club option has the built-in tapering lever, and that's going to give you an advantage whenever you just want a quick taper, and you don't really get that with the NOVAH. Truthfully, honestly, I've been really happy with both of these. I think that the Beard Club one is a little bit more professional, a lot more heavy duty. The NOVAH set is very good for travel. I love that there are two actual razors that come with that set. So really, either way, I'm getting a great shave every single time, whether I'm using the Beard Club or the NOVAH trimmer. If I had to choose one out of the options, I think I have a little bit more experience with the NOVAH, but I'm starting to really warm up to the Beard Club trimmer, especially for someone that, you know, maybe had a barber shop and wanted an all-in-one tool. This is a great option for getting started, in my opinion, and, you know, carrying you through with a lot of different hairstyles. So overall, I feel like the Beard Club trimmer did a great job on my beard. I think it would do an even better job for a barber looking to do hair. I'm probably not going to do that for a little while. I'm letting my hair grow out, but I think it did a great job. I don't feel that much irritation on my skin or anything like that. The NOVAH trimmer sometimes can be a bit irritating when I'm going for a close shave, but yeah, it's a little pink, but that's just like natural. It'll go away pretty quickly. But very, very happy with the Beard Club trimmer. I hope that I was able to kind of give you an insight into what it actually will look like if you're using it in your day-to-day life. I hope this was helpful for you. And if I would grab this for a friend or family member, I would feel very, very proud to select the Beard Club or the NOVAH trimmer, either one. Both of them are solid options. So I hope this was helpful for you. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day.